Today's wedding happens to be different from normal weddings I shoot. We have more content creators than photographers and videographers. Normally, with videographers, we work hand in hand. I allow you to shoot. But this time, content creators, they want to dominate. I don't know, they have intention of coming here to fight. Hello guys, this is Pro Media. On today's video, I will show you the BTS, the essential tips and techniques you will need to shoot a successful luxury wedding in Nigeria. Today we are shooting at Transcorp Hilton Abuja, and Transcorp Hilton happens to be one of the luxury hotels in Nigeria, not only in Abuja. One thing I like about the hotel is the ambience, and it has a taste of luxury. Meet my team members, Sean, Victor, and Emeka. Sean happens to be my second eye of my second shooter. Emeka is the lights assistant. As a photographer, you need to move with second shooter, if possible third shooter. The essence of that is the second shooter will be shooting from a different perspective. That's why we call it the second eye. There are some things they will see that you will not be able to see, and wedding is moment, you can't replay it. So they will capture the moment that you did not see. That's the essence of working with him. And Sean is very perfect. He happens to be a perfect guy for the job. Check him out on Instagram. He's very good. Meet our groom for today. I love his energy, and today happens to be one of his best days. He's very happy.
30. Sorry, you have to wind it. It's a manual watch.
The reason why you should work with the second photographer is just like we go to this hotel, I will leave him with the groom. He will document the groom's details and his preps, while I will go to the bride to document her preps and her details too. So it's essential you work with second photographer. It will reduce you the stress of shooting wedding, because shooting wedding is very hectic.
A very beautiful, elegant event. Nothing less. Just classy, sweet, and elegant. And we hope to have fun afterwards.
She came prepared.
Yes, so I'm wearing my dancing shoes.
Miss our Cinderella bride. One thing that will help you to shoot a successful Nigerian wedding is having a good communication with your bride, establishing the relationship, and that goes down to you shooting their pre-wedding. When you shoot their pre-wedding, you establish the relationship with them prior to their event day to achieve what you want, because you have their interest at heart to get a stunning image for them.
It's a hectic one already. Okay, so the first thing I do is scout for locations where I will choose. So I just have to keep my bag and then look around. The room is nice, but I was expecting something bigger.
One good thing I pay so much attention to is documenting the details of the bride or the groom while shooting their wedding. You know, they spend so much money in getting these accessories, and I pay so much attention, so I play with lights a lot to get dramatic effects on the images. in wedding they used to have content creators, videographer, and everybody. Even the ashebis, they want to get content, and everybody is fighting to get one or two things to post. So at this very point, I finished setting my light too, and the content creator they overpowered me. So I just have to leave them to do their thing before I shoot. So it's just normal thing. This wedding, we shot the whole portrait in the hotel. She did the whole outfit rather in the hotel. She started with her robe. We shot her robe. She changed to her after party. After shooting her after party, then she changed to reception dress. Still in the same hotel. We shot her reception dress, and then she changed to her wedding gown. After shooting her wedding gown, before we head to the church, and the same thing was applied with the groom. We had to shoot the same thing, likewise the groom.
What is
Sorry, can you are saying? Sorry, my. Excuse me. Sorry. Hello. Try to look at my camera. Most likely there's time. Hello, Brian, look at me.
There's no time. No, there's no time. We're not saying.
Yeah.
Okay, 10.
Then look at the mirror. Look at me from the mirror. Like, look at me from the mirror.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Now, like, use both hands together. Okay, different. Yeah, go forward. Mama.
Alright, look at your photographer. Miss Pro. Woo, I love this.
Okay, let me show her something.
Right. Alright. Alright, the smiles now.
Relax, smile. We're good. We still have time.
Okay. Hello. Go closer. Beautiful. Yeah, go closer. Yeah, go closer. Yeah, this is fine. Then can you bring your this thing like this? Your okay.
Don't worry. We'll meet up. Don't worry. We'll meet up. Calm down. We'll meet up. Oh, should that way?
Yes, yeah. Whichever way you are the bride, so yeah. Okay, let's go. Hello, look at me. Hello, look at me now. Bride, look at me. Your face is beautiful.
Yeah, as in, you can see the rush. Even the bride is worried. Everybody wants to go to church.
Hey,
you must be able to work under pressure. So for you to be a professional photographer and get good content, one quality you need to be able to work under pressure. See pressure, left, right, center. Today's wedding happens to be different from the normal wedding that I shoot. You have more content creators than the photographers and videographers. So normally with videographer, we work hand in hand. I allow you to shoot so that I shoot, but this time content creators, they want to I don't know, they have intention of coming here to fight.
One of the most difficult things to encounter while shooting wedding is doing group photograph. That shit is very, very difficult, and trust me, it's not something you want to repeat. So, and you use your last strength to do it, to almost your last strength, because I'll be standing. Most times I do outsource. So I'll do outsource in the sense that I give my second shooter or the third shooter the camera, and then I organize. But then today I have a different energy. My energy here is 100 because I love the groom's energy and we are flowing.
Okay, breast.